Tired of complicated exchanges and just want to grab some Bitcoin directly from your phone? Today, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin with a credit card directly within Trust Wallet, making it super simple and secure. First, make sure you have Trust Wallet downloaded and set up on your phone. You can find the link in the description. Once you're in the app, look for Bitcoin in your list of cryptocurrencies and tap the Buy button next to it. Now, you'll see a list of third-party providers like MoonPay, Simplex, and Mercurio. These are services that Trust Wallet partners with to process credit card payments. Each provider may have different fees and verification requirements. So take a quick look to see which one suits you best. I'm going to select MoonPay for this tutorial. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy in your local currency. The app will automatically calculate the equivalent amount of BTC you'll receive, including fees. You'll then be prompted to go through an identity verification process. This is a standard procedure to comply with regulations and prevent fraud. You'll likely need to provide your name, address, date of birth, and upload a photo of your ID. Make sure you follow the instructions carefully and provide accurate information. After your identity is verified, you'll need to enter your credit card details, including your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Again, Trust Wallet uses secure connections to protect your financial information. Review all the details carefully before confirming your purchase. Double-check the amount of Bitcoin you're buying, the fees, and the total cost. Once the transaction is processed, the Bitcoin will be deposited directly into your Trust Wallet. You can then start using it, holding it, or trading it right away, and that's it. You've successfully purchased Bitcoin with a credit card on Trust Wallet. Be sure to subscribe for more easy crypto tutorials.